Hello there, this is Dave Motohead out here at Willow Springs Racetrack in the tire shop. Gonna change the tire on the old May machine, which is this old machine. A lot of people have probably never seen one of these tire machines, but they're really great for changing certain kind of tires. And let me put the hat cam on and I'll show you what I'm doing here. Okay, first what we've got here is we've got a cantilever tire. It means it sticks out way past the rim. And we can't do them on these machines, so we can only do it on this old May machine here. So first thing you want to do is make sure you got the right adapter. Then you put the tire up over it. You want to make sure you get your lug peg in one of the holes, so it fits on there like that. Then you got your plastic spacer that won't screw up the rim. And then you got this guy. This is your tire lock. It slides on there. So you want to get that nice and tight, like that. Let me make sure my hat's good. And then next thing you want to do is you got these two bead breakers here, and you want to do the bottom one first. You want to make sure this one's pushed all the way to the top. You get down in here like this, and you got your little air lever here. If you see that goes up and down. And you want to look up underneath here, and you want to make sure that it goes past the rim. See that? It goes past the rim, and then you spin it, and it breaks the bead. See how that works there? Got the hat cam on, so that's the bottom bead. Then you want to put the foot lock in place, so that doesn't come up when you do the top one. Then you hit the air thing and it comes down. You see it just barely clears. I got it adjusted to where it just barely clears that wheel right there. Then you spin it, you break the top bead like that. And then once that bead's broke, you flip this lever up, flip the wheel up, and you hit the arm lever. You always got to make sure, if you look at this thing, it's adjustable. It'll go up and down like that for different size tires. You can do big old giant drag tires on this, but you always want to make sure that this is pretty level, like that, to where this is perpendicular to the tire to make sure that it fits in there right. And then you always want to start after the valve stem, and you just stick that dude right in there like that, and you stick it in there like that. You push the tire down into the drop center, hold on, and flip it over. And then the tire will come, it just unbeads that thing nice and easy. And you flip it up like this and you go up underneath there. You want to go up underneath and grab it. Go like that, and then you can do the bottom bead. And then there's one tire. Then you grab your new tire, which is directional. We always mark the arrow which way it's supposed to go. And put a little soap on it, lube it up with the soap. You want the arrow up, and put your arm in there, go past let the valve stem go past the tire, then you just push it on there like that. Always want to start with the valve stem past it, so then you just put your hand like that, just push it right on there. And then you can loosen this pad right up. Take your plastic off there. I don't even use a tire chuck on these things. Get yourself a valve stem. Get yourself the valve stem tool. And you can usually just put it right on there. Wait for the beads to pop. Put the valve stem in. There you go. One cantilever race tire ready for the balancer. So anyway, that's how the old May machine works. Pretty cool tool. Sometimes if you get good at this, you can put a tire on here and you can if you watch it, you can break both beads at the same time with this thing. So with the stock car tires, that's what I do. I get it set up where I put it on there and I can just do both beads at the same time and roll it, and there you go. Anyways, this is Dave Motohead, and that's how to use the old main machine at the Willow Springs Racetrack. Kind of a neat machine. Most people have never seen one before, but when it comes down to it, you can change pretty much any tire you got. Even big drag wrinkle wall slits and stuff will fit on this machine. Thanks for watching. Oh, this is Dave Motohead. Thanks for watching.